These are food wrapping wax paper. They're kind of shiny on one side, have this nice print on the other side. You could take a large brownie for sure and individually wrap them if you wanted to be cute for a bake sale or something, or just for lunch. They come in this nice resealable bag. They are microwave safe, so you can also wrap stuff that maybe you want to put in the freezer to freeze. If you were going to wrap something like a breakfast sandwich, you probably would need 2 of these, unless it was a pretty small breakfast sandwich. But definitely cute. Your food's not going to stick to them. Just making sure my ooey gooey brownies don't stick to each other. I mean, it is cute. They might be smaller than you want. You might want to look for a bigger size if you're looking for a sandwich, but if you're looking to wrap something small or something to put hamburgers on, you know, on a tray, just add a little extra special touch. These might be what you're looking for. If you would like to purchase it, there's a link in the description. We get a small commission and it would really help us out.